Have you ever considered pruning your faith, much like tending to a garden? This analogy suggests that just as a garden needs careful attention to grow and flourish, our faith also requires regular pruning to remove unnecessary or harmful, allowing the healthy aspects to thrive. This perspective can offer a fresh lens through which to view our faith journeys, potentially leading to profound spiritual growth. What aspects of your faith could benefit from a bit of pruning? Galatians 5:22-23 walks us through a part of the garden representing our faith. Our year-bearing bouquets of love, gentleness, kindness, self-control, patience, generosity, joy, and faithfulness require our diligent, consistent, and selective eye. To cultivate these virtues, we can start by practicing kindness, patience in difficult situations, and generosity with our time and resources. Every garden looks different, as it should. We gardeners identify each seedling differently. Roses, while a usual symbol of love, can serve for some as a symbol of gentleness. As the thorns remind us to handle such beauty with care, it can also serve as a symbol of patience. The beauty of unconditional love takes gentle persistence to embrace the inexhaustible and release the temporary. Enjoying the endless mercy and grace that is our birthright, a great gift to this life is joy when we release the resistance to make do and take the eternal life promised. The promised eternal life is consistently reborn for us as we prune our faith, like the manicuring of flowers. Our faith pruning depends on our current condition. Let's explore the potential of your faith using the analogy of a garden. We'll discuss 4 pruning methods applicable to our faith: cleaning, thinning, raising, and reducing. Cleaning involves removing negative influences. For example, if a particular activity or relationship hinders your spiritual growth, it's time to let it go. Thinning means focusing on our values. Consider what values are most important to you and how you can align your actions with them. Raising is about deepening our spiritual practices. This could involve committing to regular prayer or meditation. Reducing is about simplifying our lives. For instance, you might decide to cut back on commitments causing stress. Each method has a unique purpose and can contribute to the health and growth of our faith garden. Consider the power you hold in cleaning and removing dead, diseased, or broken experiences from your life, akin to pruning a garden and removing the parts that no longer serve a purpose. This practice can be particularly empowering when striving for a habit and quality of well-being. It's a reset, a fresh start, whether a New Year's resolution or a seasonal reminder to be of good cheer and give thanks. It is the essence of spiritual pruning, a process that focuses on what truly matters and removes the distractions that hinder our growth. How might this empowerment inspire you to take control of your faith garden and deepen your spiritual journey? The choice is yours. Thinning, evening, the distribution of our virtues and our thought processes connected to them can be a daily, weekly, or monthly routine necessary for our well-being. Have we been straining ourselves? Harmony is balance. Putting virtues ahead of others to keep the peace with one another can cause us to be imbalanced. If we've found ourselves exhausted due to giving to everyone, relax with harmony, trusting as you reset, you'll retain the incredible gentleness of your true nature. Remember, every gardener is different. The most exciting part is that the best way to surpass your previous harvest is to keep evolving. If you find the same results, change how you've done things before. There's always room for growth and improvement in your faith garden. How does this continuous development and improvement prospect in your faith garden fill you with hope and anticipation? Imagine the possibilities. Raising creates vertical clearance for spiritual growth, similar to a glow-up in your obedience to the Lord. Intimacy with the Lord, maturity and availability results in you pursuing what was once a dream. The world unfolds before you in ways that never seemed possible before. I liken reduction, decreasing the length and width of our virtue, to setting and keeping standards. We've rewritten the stories of our lives and only want mutual benefits and equal integrity. We value quality over quantity. MINISTRIES hopes our sermon brought you closer to your bliss. We look forward to seeing you again for what we call Sermon Mondays.